Hi guys, just want to take some minute to wish everybody a happy Monday. It's never easy to go back to work on a Monday after a fun weekend or just after a weekend. So I wish everybody alright. I wish I give strength to everybody who have to get up early and go back to work. So good luck for this week. Keep your head up and enjoy.
What do you want?
Dada.
Go ahead. Take what you want. He's in the snack section. Take what you want. What do you want?
Dada.
Take it. It's this one. Or this one. You want to open this one? Okay. Let's open this one. Let's open this one, okay? I cannot open a Pringles pack for the life of me. Let Mama taste it first. Your time. Have it. Let's see if you like it.
Dada.
Take it.
Dada.
You want the entire packet? Okay. Go on.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Mama.
Yes. And he doesn't want the Cheetos. He's gagging whenever he eats it. So let's see. Because this is not the original Pringles. Let's see if he's gonna like this one. Okay, you're gonna sit, okay? Sit. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Your girl is coming to you with her chiny bumps, okay? With her Bantu knots this morning. That's because I washed my hair, because my hair badly needed to wash. And I am here in my workout attire because I didn't work out this morning. I woke up at 9 a.m. because Tyler was really tired, so obviously he slept in, and he didn't wake me up until 9 a.m. this morning. So I just jumped up and put on my workout clothes, and I haven't still get workout in. Don't know if I'll get it in, but I'm ready just in case I find the time. I washed my hair. I'm here working on some things that I need to work on. Been super busy. Give Tyler his nap, his bath, and everything from earlier, and I still have so much to do for today, and I'm still trying to recover from our amazing getaway weekend. Baby's off to work as usual. I think he vlogged this morning because he normally vlog when it's vlog day, so I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he does, you guys would have seen that he's off to work. So yeah, I'm just here. Hopefully you guys get your workout in. Don't be like me with my busy self, but if you're busy, that's okay. You get it in at some point throughout the day, but I'm here. Hope you guys staying positive and staying motivated and keeping that smile on your face, and keep your head up, because you know at some point somebody is going through something, and if you're that person that is going through just about anything, just remember that. Don't take it as a disappointment or a setback. Just know that that's the road that you were supposed to go on in order to reach success. Yes, my love. So hold your head up, close it. So hold your head up, keep pushing, keep doing what you're supposed to do, and you'll be all right. on that note, I'm gonna stop my motivational talk for today. I feel like I'm coming down with the flu, but I'm taking some things, so I don't know if it's the hot and cold air in the mountains, that change of climate that makes me feel like this, but I'm not feeling too good in terms of my nose and stuff. Thank you, my love. The life of a stay-at-home mom just never ends. I've been just cleaning, non-stop cleaning, doing chores, non-stop doing chores, looking after Tyler, looking after myself that is not feeling so 100, but that's okay. I'm actually cooking right now. So I'm making some chicken soup for myself because I'm not feeling so well. So I just have some big chunks of chicken in here with carrots and Irish potato. I'm gonna put some spinach in it in a bit and some seasoning. That's what I'm cooking for me. I'm doing sweet potatoes over there for Tyler, and I'm doing some braised chicken here for Babe. I'm doing braised chicken for Babe, and I don't decide what I'm going to give him with that just yet. But yeah, that's what's been going on. I've been doing so much things around the house, plus editing. The life of a stay-at-home mom, it just never ends, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I still don't get my workouts in, and I'm still not feeling 100. I don't think I'm going to get the workout in today, but let's see. Never say never. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Give them kisses. Alright, tomorrow. Alright, later. See you tomorrow, okay? Guys, I'm still in my chiny bumps, my bantu nuts, and my stay-at-home mom job has ended after I put Tyler to bed. Well, that part of it has ended. Still had a lot to do, but that's the life of a stay-at-home mom. Anyway, you guys, the French expression or word for today, what is it?
Avoir un œil au beurre noir.
Lord have mercy. What did you just say?
Avoir un œil au beurre noir. Avoir means to have. Un œil is an eye. Au beurre noir. Noir is black and beurre is
Butter.
butter. So to have an eye, black butter means.
To have a black eye?
Yeah, whenever you, for example, you fight or you fall and then you get black or dark blue here, we call it un œil au beurre noir. So, an eye with black butter, a black butter eye.
So why butter? Well, it's the
A black
expression.
butter, right? So I'm not having any black butter eye.
You sure you're not having a black eye?
No.
You want me to give you one?
At work today they told me I took some.
You want me to give you one?
You?
A black eye.
You want to give me a black butter eye?
You want me to give you one?
Why?
Why not?
Did I behave bad?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Alright, the
To who? To your gal?
Which girl? I swear his outbursts of Jamaican expressions are the most hilarious. The Jamaican expression.
No, you have
for
to say
today.
it. Don't try. Don't try to escape.
I'm not trying to escape. I
Don't
didn't
try to escape.
remember.
Avoir un œil au beurre noir.
Avoir un œil, une beurre
Oh.
au beurre noir.
You try to
Noir?
escape. Noir.
Noir. You know I'm not gonna say the
Yeah,
R.
but you have to try.
Noir.
Yeah, noir. Avoir un œil au beurre noir. Avoir un œil au beurre noir.
Avoir un œil au beurre noir.
Right! Yes, noir was good. You hear it, guys? She said noir. But before she said beurre. She don't say beurre. She said beurre. Avoir.
Stop joking at me.
Alright, say your Jamaican expression.
Alright. The Jamaican, I'm gonna give you a word
Okay.
for today. If you hear a Jamaican says flowers, what are we
Flowers.
talking about?
The amount of the flowers.
No, we're talking about flowers.
Okay.
But we don't say flowers, we say flowers.
Flowers.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you hear a Jamaican
Wow, what a
saying-
pretty flower. What a pretty flowers.
Exactly. That's exactly how we would say it. What a pretty flowers.
What a pretty flower.
Right. We're simply saying that's a pretty flower.
Okay.
So there you have the perfect Jamaican expression for today. He got it spot on. Oh my god, that was hilarious. Alright you guys, I think it's time for me to go and get some rest because I also have a long day tomorrow.
Thumbs up,
Subscribe.
comments, and catch you guys.
Catch up and keep up.
Tomorrow.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye guys.